Welcome to the channel, guys. Here our ship PV walls were removed in the dockyard. We are in Zhoushan, China, and they were overhauled in the shipyard. They have specific workshop for these purposes, as you can see right now. So what they will do, they will take out your PV walls, they will overhaul them, and then they have to do the setting as per your ship requirement of the pressure and vacuum. So a representative from a ship, either it can be chief officer, chief mate, or your superintendent, have to visit there and witness it. So I am witnessing it as I am a chief mate on the ship. So as you can see, there is a gauge. This is an analog gauge, and the setting which they will do is on the computer screen, the system which is attached to it, as you have seen in the video. So when the pressure side will come, the pressure they will, if the required pressure, if the knob will not move up, then they will adjust the spring in it, and if the vacuum side, they will also adjust if it is not moving. As you can see now that they have done the desired setting in this screen. So we'll see, and as you can see now, the pressure side knob is moving up, so the pressure is set already. And now we go to the vacuum side. Now you can see the vacuum side, it is also moving, so it's set. So guys, if you like the video, kindly press like button and kindly subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thank you.